Many times people are asking, I really want to grow my email marketing strategy, but really don't know what I can do, what I don't do. So in this video, I am going to share 5 do's, 5 don'ts. So watch this video till the end and get the amazing learnings and make sure whatever you have learned that you implement in your email marketing. The number 1 do is do build quality email list. Make sure whatever mail list you have, that is the high quality. Second is do personalize your emails. You cannot send bulk email to everyone. Do personalize. Third thing, do craft compelling subject lines. Subject lines should be like that. People are not able to stop themselves to open that. You need to do that. Do provide valuable content. You cannot have very basic content. You need to have something amazing content so that people will feel like, yes, if I spended 1 minute, I got that amazing value. The fifth do is do optimize for mobile, because 60 to 70% your prospects are going to open their email in their mobile. So you need to make sure your email is opening properly in the mobile. What you don't need to do. So these are the 5 things which you don't need to do. The number 1 is don't buy email list. You need to make sure you have not bought random emails from the market, because with that you are not able to get the response from those people, because those are the random email and you really don't know how many really interested customers. Second thing is don't overwhelm your subscriber. You need to make sure they cannot overwhelm when they open your email. They get the value, they cannot overwhelm. Third don't is don't use misleading subject line. Create innovative line, but don't confuse them, don't mislead them, because if you do that, you are not going to get business from your email marketing. Fourth thing, don't ignore email design. You need to have some amazing stuff in email designing. Fifth, don't forget to engage. If any customer is coming to you from your bulk email, you need to start engaging them. You need to start adding value in their life. So definitely you are going to get the result. Let me repeat again, do's and don'ts. Do build your quality email list. You need to personalize your emails, craft compelling subject line, do provide valuable content, do optimize your mail list, don't buy email list, do not overwhelm your subscriber, don't mislead subject lines, don't ignore email design, and don't forget to engage with them. I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestions, feel free to put in the comment box. Definitely we will try to implement that in the coming video. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.